Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
How are
Good
you, ma'am?
afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good
How is
afternoon,
everybody doing?
I'm good.
Last class of the day and a torture, huh? Isn't it?
No,
afternoon,
ma'am.
No, ma'am.
That isn't like that.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Generally, good afternoon, Kartik beta.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Beta, ये तनु
No,
पटेल
ma'am,
कौन
not
है?
afraid of friends.
Ma'am, no, I
Hey,
don't
that is
Ma'am,
so
it's
good.
me.
Beta, Tanu Patel is a new admission.
Yes, ma'am.
When did you take the admission, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
When did you take admission in the school? After the UTs?
No, ma'am.
When?
Yes, ma'am. Maybe after the UTs.
You have not given the unit
Huh?
tests? You have not given the unit
No,
test?
ma'am.
Tanu?
Ma'am, she was earlier. Ma'am, I was admission May.
हाँ?
मैम मई में एडमिशन लिया था मैंने यूटी दिए थे
तो बेटा एक बात बताओ, आप तो कभी क्लास में हमें दिखे ही नहीं बच्चे.
बिकॉज मैम मेरी हेल्थ ठीक नहीं थी इसलिए मैंने क्लास अटेंड नहीं की थी
कोई भी नहीं करते थे
Good
क्लास
ma'am.
में.
नो मैम किसी की भी नहीं की थी
तो फिर आपने कैसे एग्जाम में पार्टिसिपेट करा बेटा? मतलब किस तरीके से पढ़ाई करी आपने? पढ़ाई कर ली थी अच्छे से?
वो मैं यस मैम मैंने कर लिया था
ओके, दैट्स रियली वेरी गुड. गुड आफ्टरनून आदर्श. फाइन. सो वी वर ऑन हिस्ट्री, राइट?
Yes,
Ma'am.
ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
गुड आफ्टरनून प्रद्युष.
Ma'am, at geography time.
इट इज
Geography.
Ma'am, it's a geography class.
but let us so what would you like to do in geography? Shall we do
Ma'am.
MCQs? Shall we do MCQs of chapter drainage?
Yes, ma'am.
Huh? Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, you can take oral MCQs.
No, I will share the screen with you. Right?
Okay, ma'am.
Fine. But I
Okay, ma'am.
I wanted to finish the history chapter so that next Monday when we come, we don't have to read the whole thing again. I think history.
Yeah,
we are
we can do that.
Are you do you want to do history? Are you willing to do history?
Ma'am, we can do history.
yes ma'am
Ma'am, as you
Because,
wish.
because
Yes,
only
ma'am.
one topic is left, and after that we'll switch to geography, right?
yes ma'am
Okay, ma'am.
Agreed. So the last class that we left was on the Stanley's policy, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, 1 minute.
The policy of collectivization, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Fine. Now see, uh,
good afternoon ma'am
good afternoon, Prachi. Now, Stanley's policy that was there, it was bitterly criticized by the people because people felt that, uh, all those who criticized his policy, they were approximately 2 millions in number, and they all were arrested and they were put into the prisons, or they were sent to the labor camps where they had to really work hard. And then many of the
What's
innocent
page
people,
number?
many of the innocent people, they were, charged with false charges, and they were tortured and they were executed. This also we have read. So nobody in the government spoke, ill about the Stanley's policy that he adopted, right? Right, class?
Ma'am, please take the page number.
Page number is 45. And we are going to switch to 46 now. Now this 46
Okay,
page number, tells you the global influence of the Russian Revolution and the USSR. See, right? Now
Ma'am, will you
see,
please tell the page number?
ma'am your voice was stopped
46. I know, I stopped talking. I stopped saying. Page 46
Okay.
now we are going to read from. Okay, Divyansh?
yes ma'am
चलिए Tanu, can you please switch on your camera for a minute? I would like to see your face. And Akshar, you also, if you could switch on the camera. Okay. Fine, fine, Tanu. Akshar, are you there? Akshar, are you there or not?
Ma'am, I think he's not responding.
Chalo. चलिए नाउ ग्लोबल इन्फ्लुएंस यूएसएसआर जो आज की डेट में जिसको हम रशिया बुलाते हैं पहले वो यूएसएसआर कहलाता था ठीक है डू यू नो द फुल फॉर्म ऑफ यूएसएसआर क्लास
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
anybody in the class but it was called as the United States of Soviet Russia right
Ma'am,
Right?
I have thought
Huh?
the same, but I thought that it was wrong.
nahi it is correct but after
Ma'am, I think the same.
nahi now in I think somewhere in 1990 Russia was segregated and it like you know many of the states many of the countries which were many of the states which were part of Russia they disintegrated from Russia and Russia was disintegrated and it was given the new name as Russia from USSR Russia was renamed as Russia only fine
Yes.
okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, the socialist parties which were there in throughout the Europe, they did not approve the way the Bolsheviks came to power. How they came to power, we all know that. How they came to power, we all know this. So the other socialist parties which were there, they did not like this idea and they did not approve of it. Then the workers' welfare schemes which were followed in Russia, it led to the formation of socialist parties outside Russia as well. Because see, throughout the world, the scenario was the same. Workers were exploited the most. No timing, no working. There were no fixed hours for working. There were no fixed wages for them, and moreover, the working conditions were not very lively or were not very congenial to them. So that is why many of the welfare schemes which were there in Russia were followed by the other countries as well. And in 1920, there was a conference of the people of East, which, in which many of the countries from other than USSR participated. And by the Second World War, socialism, started getting recognized. By the Second World War, many people, they were in a position like, many countries were there who wanted to switch to the concept of socialism, right? And the Russian Revolution, why we say Russian Revolution is very important part of the history, because after the Russian Revolution, the concept of socialism had spread up globally throughout. Globally, समझते हैं ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, around the world. Whole
Around
world.
the world. So
Yes,
all
ma'am.
over the world, people appreciated the ideas of socialism, and many of the countries had adopted also this idea of socialism. But in 1950, it became evident that the USSR was not keeping the ideals of the Russian Revolution. अब वो ideals क्या थे? Things were not very smooth in Russia. The country had developed industries and agriculture, but the poor, those who were there, they were also being fed, but the necessary freedom was not given to the citizens, and repressive policies were followed. At the time of Stanley also, whatever repressive policies were followed by him, putting the critics into the jail, sending them to the labor camps where they had to work very hard, where they were punished, right? In punishment only they had to work hard. So these repressive policies which were there, they kept on continuing. And by the end of the 20th century, USSR international reputation denied. The reputation which the country had gained after the Russian Revolution, that declined. Right? Right, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And,
Yes.
and all the socialist ideas which were respected, like, of course, the socialist ideas were, people still respected those ideas, and new form of socialism was also given a thought. Now, new form of socialism means where repression is not there, where people have a free hand to bring what? Changes, amendments, right? Sometimes when we follow certain things, and when the time changes, we feel that there is a need to change, so we change.
Ma'am, Russia is also a democratic country.
क्या चीज बेटा?
Ma'am, is Russia is also a democratic country?
हाँ, Russia is a democratic country. ठीक है?
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
Right? So this was all about the global influence of the Russian Revolution and the USSR. So we will read this or not?
Ma'am, may I read?
Ma'am, may
Ma'am,
I
may I
read?
read?
Wait.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, may I?
Wait, we will, Tanu Patel will read. Tanu and Manjot, and after that Ishan Johri.
Karthik, ma'am,
Mummy,
Karthik.
ma'am, the
पहले तनु पटेल पढ़ेंगी, please. चलिए.
Ma'am, which paragraph?
Page 46.
Ma'am, second paragraph.
Yes. No,
First.
first paragraph. First paragraph. We have to start
Okay,
from.
ma'am. Exciting socialist parties in Europe did not wholly
The existing,
approve of the
Tanu, existing socialist parties.
existing socialist parties in Europe.
Tanu, existing.
Existing socialist parties in Europe did not wholly approve of the way the Bolsheviks took power and kept it. However, the possibility of a workers' state fired people's imagination across the world. In many countries, communist parties were formed, like the Communist Party of Great Britain. The Ma'am, ये क्या है? Bolsheviks encouraged colonial peoples to follow their experiment. Many non-Russians from outside the USSR participated in the Conference of the Peoples of the East, 1920, and the Bolshevik founded Comintern, an international union of pro-Bolshevik socialist parties. Some received education in the USSR Communist University of the Workers of the East. By the time of the outbreak of the Second World War, the USSR had given socialism a global face and world stature.
Socialism.
Okay.
Socialism.
One paragraph you have read now.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. Can we have Manjot reading?
May
Yes,
I?
by the 1950s, it was acknowledged within the country that the style of government in the USSR was not in keeping with the ideals of the Russian Revolution. In
Okay.
the world,
Wait. Rohan Rastogi. Rohan,
Yes, ma'am.
read from where she has left.
Of the Russian Revolution. In the world socialist movement to it was recognized that all was not well in the Soviet Union. A backward country had become a great power. Its industries and agriculture had developed, and the poor were being fed. But it had denied essential freedom to its citizens and carried out its development projects through repressive policies. By the end of the 20th century, the international reputation of the USSR as a socialist country had declined through it was recognized that socialist ideals still enjoyed respect among its people. But in each country, the ideas of socialism were rethought in a variety of different ways.
Okay. Can we have others reading the box 5?
Yes, ma'am.
Am I?
Box 5.
Among the yes, ma'am. Among those the Russian Revolution inspired were many Indians. Several attended the Communist University. By the mid 1920s, the Communist Party was formed in India. Its members kept in touch with the Soviet Communist Party. Important Indian political and cultural figures took an interest in the Soviet experiment and visited Russia. Among them, Jawaharlal Nehru and Rabindranath Tagore, who wrote about Soviet socialism in India. Writings gave impressions of Soviet Russia in Hindi. R.S. Avasthi wrote in 1920 to 1921 Russian Revolution, Lenin, his life and his thoughts, and later the Red Revolution, S.D.
Vidyalankar.
Vidyalankar wrote the rebirth of Russia and the Soviet state of Russia. There was there was much that was written in Bengali, Marathi, Malayalam, Tamil, and Telugu.
Now see, this box 5 tells us that how, you know, though throughout the world, Russian Revolution inspired people, but it was India where many of the Indians were very much inspired by the Russian Revolution and the way the country had developed, the way the country had, you know, controlled the situations, right? So many of the Indians, they were inspired. Other than like initially we have read, no, that this Raja Ram Mohan Roy, Dorazio, they wrote about the French revolutions, but here Jawaharlal Nehru, Rabindranath Tagore, they were quite impressed by the events that took place in Russia after the Russian Revolution. They were very happy, they were quite inspired, and they wanted that something similar should be there in our country as well, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine.
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
this
Ma'am.
box, I think the other day somebody was asking that which box
Ma'am,
is
I-
important, Karthik. So this box 5 is important. You can write important over here. You may get MCQ based questions from here, right?
Ma'am, they are already highlighted.
They are already highlighted, no? See? But still.
Yes.
Now source F, can we have
Ma'am, Manojas.
Ma'am,
Rakshit?
Karthik, ma'am.
Acha, Karthik. Chalo,
Ma'am,
let
Pradyunsh.
Karthik and then half of, I'll tell some other two.
Ma'am,
Chalo.
Ma'am, Man.
मनोजस को अभी मन को भी
Ma'am,
बोलो.
Pradyunsh.
Start, otherwise our MCQ will be all left. No, chalo.
Yeah, ma'am.
Ma'am, Prachi
Ma'am,
is also there.
I
Yes,
know.
ma'am.
Me also.
Ma'am,
So,
can I
chalo, theek hai.
start?
Two lines everyone will read. Okay, Karthik, start. And
Ma'am,
Indian
only 2
Airlines.
lines.
तो क्या करे सब?
Ma'am, no, ma'am. 4.
Four
Ma'am,
lines.
4 lines.
Four
Ma'am,
lines.
four.
Four lines. Okay.
मैम जो रह जाएगा मैम उससे कहते ना अपना नाम ले मैम बहुत है.
चलो start करो.
Ma'am.
Start करो.
An Indian arrives in Soviet Russia in 1920. For the first time in our lives, we were seeing Europeans mixing freely with Asians. On seeing the Russians mingling freely with the rest of the people of the country, we were ma'am, what is it?
Convinced.
Convinced that we had, yes ma'am, convinced that we had come to land of real
Equality.
Ma'am,
चलो,
now my turn.
बेटा एक मिनट हमें एक
Ma'am,
चीज बतानी है, वेट. आपने पुरानी बहुत सारी मूवीज कुछ ऐसी आपने अपने पेरेंट्स के मुंह से सुनी होंगी या दादा दादी के मुंह से सुनी होंगी जिसमें कि रशियन आर्टिस्ट बहुत थे. जैसे देयर इज वन सच मूवी जिसमें रशियन आर्टिस्ट को लिया गया था. ये उस समय की बात है. आज भी इंडिया इज वेरी फ्रेंडली विद रशिया, और उस समय भी लाइक यू नो आफ्टर द रशियन रेवोल्यूशन गांधी जी वगैरह जो है दे केप्ट ऑन यू नो विजिटिंग दीज प्लेसेस, बिकॉज रशिया में जो भी कंडीशंस थी कुछ सिमिलर काइंड की जो कंडीशंस थी वो इंडिया में थी. वहां के मतलब ऐसा नहीं था कि रशिया वाज नॉट अ कॉलोनी बट इंडिया वाज अ कॉलोनी, बट जो कंडीशंस कंट्री में प्रिवेल करती थी वो तकरीबन सेम थी. और रशियन रेवोल्यूशन के बाद इंडियंस वर क्वाइट इंस्पायर्ड, तो मेनी ऑफ द इंडियंस वेंट देयर. और रशियन जो कंट्री है उसका हमेशा से एशियन कंट्रीज स्पेशली इंडिया के साथ बहुत अच्छे जो है फ्रेंडली रिलेशंस हैं. बता आप ये
Ma'am,
कैसे?
in lockdown, the
And
president
and ma'am,
offered samosas
Yes,
to
Karthik.
Narendra Modi.
मैम there is a place in Russia मैम जहाँ पर मैम बहुत से इंडियंस के मैम रहते हैं लोग मैम, वहाँ पर सिर्फ हिंदी बोली जाती है मैम.
हाँ, तो जो रशिया था जब उस टाइम पे
मैम मीन्स वहाँ के लोग मैम हिंदी बोलते हैं।
बोलते हैं, एग्जैक्टली, दे आर क्वाइट इम्प्रेस्ड विद दिस। तो ऐसा नहीं है, रशिया में मतलब बहुत इन्फ्लुएंस, वो इंडिया से बहुत इन्फ्लुएंस थे, और हमारे कंट्री को उस समय कुछ ऐसे लोग, ऐसे कंट्रीज की जरूरत थी जो हमें सपोर्ट करते। ठीक है, तो रशिया वाज वन सच कंट्री, राइट। चलो, कैन वी हैव प्राची रीडिंग? Prachi, quick, I will call the name and you have to be attentive, okay? Prachi.
Ma'am, only from options.
Ma'am,
Yes, Prachi, quick. Now see, she's not there. Aryan Bhardwaj.
ma'am,
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. We saw freedom.
Ma'am, I'm there. Ma'am, actually, I just
We
got.
saw freedom in its true light.
Next time I'll
Ma'am,
call your name, then you read. Prachi, next time. चलो, Aryan start कर दो बेटा. अभी प्राची इसके बाद भी ready.
Okay, ma'am.
We saw freedom in its true light in spite of their poverty imposed by the counter-revolutionaries and the imperialists. The people were more jovial and satisfied than ever before. The revolution had instilled confidence and fearless in them.
बस प्राची.
The real brotherhood of mankind would be seen here among these people of 50 different nationalities. No barriers of caste or religion hindered them from mixing freely with one another.
Divyansh Jain.
every soul was transformed into an orator. One could see a worker, a peasant, or a soldier haranguing like a professional lecturer.
Okay, can we have Manojas? Rabindranath Tagore wrote
Yes,
from
ma'am.
Russia.
Rabindranath Tagore wrote from Russia in 1930. Moscow appears much less clean than the other European capitals. None of those hurrying along the street look smart. The whole place belongs to the workers. Here the masses have not in the least been put in
Okay,
shade
Rakshit Solanki.
by the gentlemen.
Manojas, Rakshit Solanki,
Yes, ma'am.
read from where he has left. The fifth line you have to read from. Okay, can we have Abhinath reading?
Yes. The nymph from shade by the gentlemen, those who lived in the background of for ages, has come forward in the open today. I thought of the peasants and workers in my own country. It all seemed like the work of the
Okay, can we have
Arabian Nights.
stop? Can we have Pradyumsh reading?
Yes, ma'am. It all seemed like the work of Jenny in the Arabian Nights. Only a decade ago, they were as literate, helpless, and hungry as our own masses.
Who could be more? You carry on, carry on.
Okay, ma'am. Who could be more astonished than an unfortunate Indian like myself to see how they had removed the mountains of the ignorance and helplessness in these few years?
ठीक है बेटा, ये जो दो पैराग्राफ्स हैं ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट इसलिए हैं क्योंकि देयर इज एन एक्टिविटी गिवन टू यू. व्हाट डिड द इंडियंस फाइंड इंप्रेसिव अबाउट द यूएसएसआर? ठीक है, तो इस पैराग्राफ में जो लिखा गया है, रविन्द्रनाथ टैगोर रोड फ्रॉम रशिया इन 1930 एंड एन इंडियन अराइव्स इन सोवियत रशिया इन 1920. ठीक है, व्हाट डिड द राइटर फेल टू नोटिस? ये दोनों क्वेश्चंस के आंसर्स हम नेक्स्ट क्लास जब भी हमारा होगा, आई विल आस्क यू. इस तरीके के क्वेश्चंस आर गोइंग टू कम टू यू in the finals when you will appear for your final exams, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Right. Let us switch to the MCQs quickly. Yes.
Ma'am, in geography.
No.
Okay.
We are doing what do you want? Geography or history?
Ma'am, geography.
Ma'am, history.
So we'll do geography.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the
Okay. Can you see the screen, class?
no, ma'am.
No.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now you can see.
Now,
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Choose the correct answer. All those who are in the meeting, one by one, read one question and answer the question. If you don't know the answer, say I don't know, and we pass it on to the next person. ये कौन गंदगी कर रहे हैं? प्रद्युंश?
Pradwansh.
Scribbling my screen?
It was by mistake, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am.
चलो कोई नहीं।
Ma'am, ma'am,
I'm
मुझसे कैसे हो
Karthik.
गया? Ma'am, it was done by mistake, ma'am. I don't know what
कोई
by
बात नहीं,
itself.
कोई बात नहीं, कोई बात नहीं, घबराओ नहीं,
मैम मैं तो जूम कर रहा था उतने में हो गया.
कोई बात नहीं, होता है कई बार. चलिए, shall we start? Prachi, first question for you.
Okay, ma'am. The city located on the water divide between the Indus and the Ganga river system is
Do you know the
Ma'am
answer?
Meerut. Ma'am Meerut.
No, it is the wrong answer. Anybody in the class who knows the correct
Ma'am
answer?
Ambala.
Ambala.
Ambala, ma'am, Ambala.
Ma'am Ambala.
Ambala is the correct.
Ma'am, if Prachi was reading the question, I directly get.
I am reading. Ma'am,
Okay,
next I
second
am
one,
reading.
Avinath.
Which river is called the demon when it enters India in Arunachal Pradesh? The answer is the Brahmaputra.
The
Brahmaputra.
your voice is not very clear.
Ma'am, he is saying Brahmaputra.
Actually, he said Brahmaputra. Okay, Brahmaputra is the correct answer. Very
Yes,
good.
ma'am.
Chaliye. Next question for
Ma'am,
Manojas. Manojas.
Ma'am, I know the answer of this question.
Question तो पढ़ो बेटा.
Ma'am, पढ़ लिया, ma'am.
Basin is of the Amazon River.
The world's largest drainage basin is of the.
Ma'am, he is saying Amazon River.
Is he correct?
No, ma'am, it's Nile River.
नहीं बेटा, Amazon सही है.
Ma'am right.
Ma'am, Nile River.
Ma'am, it's
Confusion.
Amazon.
Nile River Amazon basin की तो है.
Yes, ma'am. Confusion.
तो Nile Amazon की नहीं है. Nile Amazon की नहीं है, ठीक है? चलो.
Okay, ma'am.
हाँ. Okay, fourth question. Pradyunsh.
Yes, ma'am. Which one of the following peninsular river of India flow west and make estuaries?
Which one?
Ma'am Tapi.
Yes, it is Tapi. And other than Tapi, which river we have?
Ma'am
Godavari.
Narmada.
Narmada. Yes, Narmada, not Godavari, bhai. Okay,
Narmada.
Rohan Rastogi, read the fifth question.
The Vimba Lake is located in
Where?
Ma'am, Kerala.
Very good. Very good.
Ma'am, Kerala.
Yes, Kerala is the correct answer. Sixth one. Karthik, read the question.
Which one of the following lake is artificial? Ma'am, Pulikat. Pulikat.
नहीं.
Ma'am
Ma'am,
Rana
Chilika.
Sagar.
Ma'am
Rana
Chilika.
Pratap Sagar.
Rana Pratap
Rana
Sagar
Pratap
देखो,
Sagar.
ठीक है?
Rana Pratap.
चलिए.
Ma'am,
Question number 7.
मैम पहली
Manjot.
बार नाम सुना है.
कोई बात नहीं.
Kings that are artificial.
Which one of the
पढ़ा था पूरा ये.
peninsular river is
Ma'am all of
called
the
the
above.
Dakshin Ganga?
हाँ.
Ma'am, the answer is Godavari.
Very good, Godavari. Prachi, next question again. Read out quick.
The valley. Sorry, ma'am. The valley of Kashmir is famous for the shikaras. Ma'am, sorry, houseboats.
Ma'am, all of these.
All of these. बेटा डल लेक के लिए भी
Ma'am,
है,
all of the
houseboat
above.
के लिए, शिकारास के लिए भी है, ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
All of the
Yes, ma'am.
above. Right? Okay. Then the next question is, can we have Tanu Patel reading?
It was my turn.
Yes, ma'am.
Let me add it. Okay.
The Ganga
The
Action
Ganga
Plan
Action Plan
GAP
was
phase I
started
was
in the year
started.
1985. And the answer is 1985.
The answer is
1985.
what about others? What do you say?
Ma'am, 1985.
It is the correct answer. The drainage basin of the Mahanadi is not shared by.
My chance.
Can we have Manojas answering the question?
Ma'am, Chhattisgarh.
It is Chhattisgarh. Yes, very good. Madhya Pradesh.
Madhya Pradesh.
बेटा महानदी मध्य प्रदेश में नहीं करती है ना, ठीक है?
Ma'am, I written not shared.
हाँ, it is not shared by मध्य प्रदेश, no. महानदी
Yes,
मध्य प्रदेश
ma'am.
में नहीं करती है भाई, ध्यान
Yes,
से,
ma'am.
ध्यान से. चलो, which one of the following describes the drainage patterns resembling the branches of a tree? ये तो शायद हमने आपको सिर्फ ऐसे ही रफ समझाया था. Still, if you want to try.
Dendrite.
Ma'am, dendrite.
Okay, it is dendrite.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, next question.
Rajasthan.
In which of the following states is the Buller Lake located?
Ma'am, Jammu and Kashmir.
Jammu and
Jammu and
Kashmir.
Kashmir. Jammu and Kashmir.
Jammu and Kashmir. Very good. But Jammu and Kashmir is not a state now. It is a UT. Okay.
Yes.
The river Narmada has its source at where?
Amarkantak.
Ma'am,
Amarkantak.
Satpura. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Amarkantak.
Amarkantak.
Amarkantak. Very good.
Kantak.
Yes.
Yes,
Next.
ma'am.
Which one of the following lakes is a salt water lake?
And Sambar.
Ma'am,
Sambar.
Sambar.
Sambar is a salt water.
Salt water lake.
Yes. Very
Ma'am, I remember it by that Gandhiji.
Yes.
Which one of the following is the longest river in the peninsular India?
And Narmada.
Ma'am, Godavari.
Narmada.
Ma'am, Narmada.
Narmada.
हाँ, नर्मदा is the longest of the peninsular India. और अगर हम
Yes, ma'am.
east flowing की बात करते हैं, then it is Godavari, right? नहीं बेटा, Godavari है peninsular. Sorry, it is Godavari only. Let me check.
Yes, ma'am. I said
हाँ,
right.
Godavari है भाई. Confusion. Godavari.
Ma'am,
है.
only I was right.
हाँ, correct. Okay, which one amongst the following rivers flows through a rift valley?
Rift Valley.
Now?
Tungabhadra.
Oh God.
I don't know.
No. Who will try this?
Ma'am,
Tapi.
I'm just
Yes, Tapi. Beta, Tapi.
Tapi.
It's not Tungabhadra, it is Tapi.
no, ma'am. I was not knowing. I was just guessing this question.
Okay, no problems. No problem at all. Okay, next question.
The Venganga and the Penganga
Hmm?
are the tributaries of which of the following rivers? The Mahanadi, the Narmada, the Godavari, the Krishna.
Ma'am, the Godavari.
The Godavari.
They are
Godavari.
The Godavari.
Yes, they are the tributaries of Godavari.
Godavari.
Very good. Next is
These are all. Ma'am,
Which
these all
of the following rivers is not a tributary of river Godavari?
Ma'am, these are questions are in book only, na?
they are from the book only.
No.
बेटा, बिल्कुल.
They are from the chapter.
Book means chapter में से भाई. एक ही
Yes,
बात
ma'am.
है.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
I think it is NCERT.
हाँ जी, चलो.
Ma'am, it's not that they are not in my MCQs.
बताओ भाई.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, river
Which of the
Godavari.
following
Ma'am,
river is not a
answer
tributary of river Godavari?
Ma'am, Ardh.
Is
Ardha.
Ardha is not a tributary of Godavari. But it
Can
is
we
written
try,
Gat Prabha.
Gat Prabha.
Gat Prabha is of, I think, Kaveri. but
Which one
Ardha,
of the following rivers?
चलो ठीक है, okay. Now, which of the following rivers rises from the slopes of the
Ma'am, Godavari.
Nashik
Godavari.
district? It is
Godavari, ma'am.
Godavari.
Nasik district of Maharashtra, ma'am. Godavari.
Very good. Then the drainage basin of which of the following rivers covers parts of Karnataka, Kerala, and Tamil Nadu?
Ma'am, Musi.
Ma'am, Musi.
Musi.
Amravati.
Amravati is not, ma'am. Amravati is not an option, ma'am.
बेटा कौन सा रिवर इन तीनों स्टेट्स को कवर करता है?
Ma'am, Musi.
Musi. Ma'am, Musi.
It is Krishna. नहीं कावेरी, sorry.
Kaveri.
ठीक है? It is Kaveri. Which of the following
Which of the
rivers
following
originates from the Hazaribagh plateau of Chota Nagpur region and flows eastwards?
Amravati.
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 बताओ.
Ma'am, Damodar.
Ma'am, Damodar.
Damodar. Which type of
Which
lakes
type of contain water only during the rainy season?
बताओ.
Ma'am, lake in basins of inland dry range.
Are you sure?
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am. Ma'am, Oxbow Lake.
बेटा
Ma'am, I was correct.
You were correct. Very
Yeah.
good. Okay, 23rd. Which one of the following lakes is a salt water lake?
Ma'am, ये तो क्वेश्चन अभी था मैम.
Ma'am,
दोबारा repeat
Sambar
कर दिया
Lake.
इन्होंने.
Sambar Lake.
Ma'am,
Which one of the following lakes is formed as a result of tectonic activity?
Waller Lake.
Huh?
Wooler Lake.
Ma'am,
Very
Waller Lake.
Wooler
Ma'am,
Lake.
correct. Ma'am, correct.
Correct. Very good. Which one of the following is not a lake created by human beings?
Ma'am, Hirakud.
Ma'am,
Hirakud. Hirakud.
हाँ, हीराकुंड कैसी बात कर रहे हो? बड़ा पानी बेटा. Lake not
Ma'am, they are
created
saying
by
which of
human
the
beings.
human beings? Yes, ma'am.
बड़ा पानी.
Ma'am, Nizam Sagar, Hirakud. Ma'am,
ये
क्या था
सारे
इसका
man
आंसर?
made है. ये सारे man made है, ठीक है? Which of the following states are Nainital and Bhimtal located?
Ma'am, Uttarakhand.
Ma'am, Uttarakhand.
Uttarakhand. Very good. Lakes are of great value to human beings. Which of the following statements about lakes given below is incorrect? बताओ.
Helps to regulate the flow of waters in result on flooding. Can be used for tripling head power. Ma'am, last one.
Ma'am, first one.
B option is not correct.
Ma'am, B1.
हाँ, चलिए. Which of the following is not one of the causes of river pollution?
Dumping of garbage, aquatic organism, algae. Ma'am, I think the second one.
B option is the correct answer. Very good. Let us check.
Yes, ma'am.
Why to be in doubt? It is correct.
Ma'am, B.
Then which of the following is the result of concern over rising pollution in our rivers? Banning hydroelectric
Various
power.
rivers action plans.
इनमें से कौन सा होगा बताओ?
Ma'am, various river action plans.
नहीं. हाँ, various river action plans. Option B.
Yes, ma'am.
Option B.
Yes, ma'am.
Correct answer. Very good.
Yes, ma'am.
चलिए. अब ये कह रहा है describe the following river system under the given column. Indus, गंगा, ब्रह्मपुत्र. इंडस का ओरिजिन कहाँ से आता है?
Ma'am, Mansarovar.
Mansarovar.
गंगा का
Ma'am,
origin?
length.
गंगा का ओरिजिन
Ma'am, Gangotri.
एंड ब्रह्मपुत्र का ओरिजिन
Ma'am, Mansarovar.
पक्का?
Yes,
पक्का.
ma'am.
ठीक है. और लेंथ क्या है इंडस की लेंथ?
Ma'am, 2900, ma'am.
वेरी गुड. गंगा की
Ma'am, 2500.
और ब्रह्मपुत्र की
Ma'am, I don't know.
29. ब्रह्मपुत्र की भी 29 है. इंडस की ट्रिब्यूटरीज कौन कौन सी हैं? देख लो. जास्कर, नुब्रा, श्योक, हुंजा, देन यमुना, घाघरा, गंडक, कोसी, गोमती, सोन, दामोदर, दिबांग, लोहित. दिस इज द करेक्ट आंसर. ओके,
Okay, ma'am.
चलिए नेक्स्ट है. अब टाइम नहीं बचा, इसको हम कल करेंगे. ठीक है, राइट?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you,
थैंक
ma'am.
यू फॉर द क्लास.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
वेरी गुड.
Thank you,
चलिए,
ma'am.
ओके बच्चा.
Bye,
थैंक यू सो
ma'am.
मच. गॉड ब्लेस यू ऑल.